Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by handling the sensor carefully. Remove it from its mount and flip it over so the label faces you. Once done, use a small flat tool to pry the seam where the case halves meet. This is the only way Honeywell recommends to avoid damaging clips. You want to expose the battery compartment without forcing plastic. Make slow, steady pressure. Make sure to keep small screws or mounting brackets safe, and place the sensor on a soft cloth to protect its lens while you proceed. You now remove the old CR123A battery, paying attention to how it sits in the compartment. This is why noting orientation matters. Once removed, check the contacts for corrosion and gently clean with a dry cloth if needed. Insert the new battery with the same polarity, press it into place until it seats firmly, and ensure the compartment springs or clips engage. After insertion, close the case halves by aligning tabs and snapping them together. You should hear a distinct click, confirming a proper seal. You finish by remounting the sensor on its bracket and restoring the security panel from test mode to active. Once mounted, perform a walk test. Move through the sensor's coverage and watch for the LED or panel signal to confirm detection. If it works, close things up. If not, power cycle the panel and reseat the battery. Make sure contacts are clean and the case is fully closed. A single troubleshooting tip: if the sensor still fails, try a fresh CR123A from a different pack to rule out.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.